So there you go, that is the end of our Rick and Roll project. It's been quite a ride. We've covered so many different topics and things in this tutorial series. We went straight from the design of the app and creating of user stories to setting up the project with the NX Dev tools, and also creating a GitHub action to automatically deploy our code to our DigitalOcean server. And of course, there was a lot of setup with the server itself as well. We created a web server with Nginx, set up our databases with Docker containers as well. And that was all before we even started working on the app itself. And the result, although it's a really simple app, and in essence all it is really is a URL shortener, we've seen how to go from creating really basic parts of an overall system. So we created API endpoints, for example, and then consume them on the front end. So hopefully we've seen how everything works together and working with an underlying database, either in a local environment or on our production system as well. And hopefully we've seen a little bit of the life cycle of a project as well. We always had our board here with all of our user stories that we're keeping track of and seeing how things progressed and how new features got added as we progressed through the project as well, which is something that if you're working in a real company on a real project, then obviously that's the kind of thing that might happen. But hopefully you found the project useful and you've learned a thing or two here and there, and I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed making it. But that's it for the Rick and Roll project. Make sure you stay tuned for more web dev tips.